The survival journey of an ant in a forest from day 1 to day 30 is a fascinating tale of adaptation, resilience, and community. Ants, being social insects, depend heavily on their colonies for survival. The life of an individual ant is closely tied to the complex and cooperative structure of its colony. Day 1. Emergence. On the first day, our ant emerges from its pupal stage into adulthood. This transformation occurs in the safety of the underground nest, a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers that the colony meticulously maintains. The young ant, now a worker, is immediately surrounded by fellow ants and is given a thorough grooming to rid it of any remnants of the pupal case. This initial interaction helps the ant acclimate to the colony's scent, which is crucial for identification and acceptance within the community. Day 2-5. Orientation and basic duties. In the first few days, the young worker ant remains within the nest, learning the layout and engaging in essential tasks. These duties include caring for the queen's eggs and larvae, cleaning the nest, and feeding other ants through trophallaxis, the transfer of food mouth to mouth. This period is critical for the ant to understand the colony's needs and establish its role within the hierarchical structure. The ant's activities are driven by chemical signals, or pheromones, which direct it to areas where its help is needed most. Day 6-10. Foraging training. As the ant gains confidence and experience, it starts accompanying older worker ants on foraging missions near the nest. Foraging is a dangerous task that exposes ants to predators and harsh environmental conditions. During these training excursions, the young ant learns to follow pheromone trails, recognize food sources, and communicate findings to the colony. Day 11-15. Independent foraging. By the second week, the ant begins foraging independently. This transition marks a significant step in its development. The ant ventures further from the nest, driven by the need to find sustenance for the colony. It must navigate complex terrain, avoid predators, and efficiently gather food. The forest floor, covered with leaves, twigs, and other debris, presents both opportunities and challenges. Day 16-20. Adapting to challenges. As the days progress, the ant faces various challenges that test its survival skills. Sudden rainstorms can flood the nest and wash away pheromone trails, forcing the ant to rely on memory and landmarks to find its way home. Predators such as birds and spiders pose constant threats. The ant must also deal with interspecies competition, as other insects vie for the same food sources. Despite these challenges, the ant's innate instincts and learned behaviors enable it to adapt and continue contributing to the colony's well-being. Day 21-25. Specialization and efficiency. By the third week, the ant has developed a specialization within the foraging group. It might focus on collecting specific types of food, such as seeds, nectar, or prey. This specialization increases the efficiency of the colony's food gathering efforts. The ant also becomes adept at navigating the forest, using its antennae to sense environmental cues and its legs to traverse obstacles. Day 26-30. Mature forager. In the final days of the first month, the ant is a seasoned and mature forager. It has established a routine and a deep understanding of the forest ecosystem. The ant plays a crucial role in maintaining the colony's food supply, which supports not only the worker ants but also the queen, the larvae, and the soldiers. The colony's success depends on the collective efforts of its members, and the ant's contributions are vital to this success. Additionally, the ant may participate in other activities such as nest defense, repairing tunnels, and expanding the nest to accommodate the growing colony. Throughout this journey, the ant's survival hinges on its ability to work cooperatively with its colony. The social structure of the ant colony is a marvel of nature, with each ant performing specific roles that benefit the entire group. This cooperation extends to risk-sharing behaviors, such as foraging in groups to reduce individual risk and engaging in self-sacrificial actions to protect the nest. The survival of an ant in a forest from day 1 to day 30 is a testament to the power of cooperation, adaptation, and resilience. From its emergence as a young worker ant to its role as a mature forager, the ant's journey is marked by a continuous learning process and a deep commitment to the colony's success. Through effective communication, specialization, and interaction with the ecosystem, the ant not only survives but also contributes to the thriving community of its colony. The forest, with its myriad challenges and opportunities, provides a dynamic backdrop for the ant's life. Each day brings new experiences and tests, but the ant's ingrained instincts and the support of its colony enable it to navigate this complex world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.